I had never heard of the FinTech Mesa before this week, but if you're a homeowner like I am, it sounds as though they might be worth keeping an eye on. Hey everyone, this is Kyle from FinTech News, your financial resource for a changing world, and today we're going to be discussing the startup Mesa, the recent funding raise, and what they have planned. Last week, Mesa announced a seed round totaling $9.2 million, including $7.2 million in equity. And while none of the participating VCs necessarily jumped out at me, what did catch my attention was the list of companies that Mesa team members have previously worked for. They've assembled veterans from Uber, Amex, Robinhood, Capital One, Block, which was formerly Square, and Bilt Rewards. To me, it's that last one that really makes the most sense, but we'll get there in just a second. According to Mesa, they're currently working to introduce two new products, a mortgage marketplace and a homeowners card. Starting with the former, the idea here is that homeowners and homebuyers will be able to earn rewards on a new mortgage or refinancing a mortgage via a marketplace lender. Specifically, they state that borrowers will be able to earn 1% back of the total loan value in the form of rewards. This would mean that a homeowner who opens or refinances a $250,000 mortgage would be able to earn $2,500 in points. And then these points could be applied to mortgage payments or used for travel or other options. As for the Mesa Homeowners Card, they describe this as the first premium credit card designed for homeowners. And yes, this is where the Bilt comparison comes in. According to the site, cardholders will be able to earn rewards on monthly mortgage payments with the card. On top of that, they'd also be able to earn rewards on gas, groceries, utilities, repairs, home goods, insurance, and more. Now, while all that does sound awesome, there are a few unknowns here, starting with the associated costs. The fact that Mesa describes it as a premium credit card does have me thinking that some sort of annual fee will be involved. Another question is that while it mentions mortgage payments, it's unclear if this will apply to all mortgage payments, kind of the way Bilt works with any rent, or whether you'd have to purchase your mortgage through one of the marketplace lenders. Personally, based on what I've heard so far, I went ahead and joined the waitlist since there's not really any obligation or cost to doing that, and I definitely look forward to at least hearing more about Mesa and covering it in the future. After all, even if Bilt may have gone a little bit downhill in recent months, I still think it's a quality product, so if this ended up being the Bilt equivalent for homeowners, then I'd be all for it. That said, it's worth remembering that Bilt themselves are also currently working on a mortgage payment solution, and they raised a ton more money than Mesa did. So I'll be very interested to see if these two companies end up competing head to head and how Mesa performs in that matchup. Anyway, if you have any thoughts on Mesa based on what you've heard so far, I'd love to know what you're thinking in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe because we have new videos all the time. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time here on FinTech News.